On to our next topic, which is budgeting. You probably have heard the term budget or budgeting many times in your life, and chances are you have an idea established on what it is. We will explain what budgeting is and break down the different types of budgeting categories. So what is budgeting? Budgeting is a financial management tool or method that involves creating a detailed plan for how money will be spent or managed over a specific period. It serves as a roadmap for individuals, businesses, or organizations to track income, expenses, and savings, helping them achieve financial goals and manage resources effectively. Many people overlook the importance of tracking their spendings and the importance of having a financial plan. The reason many individuals fall into the huge debt trap is because of poor budgeting skills. People think they don't spend as much money, however. If they were to actually calculate their monthly spendings compared to their incomes, they would be surprised. Think about it. Predict your average monthly spendings, and then use the templates and tools provided in the description to find out your actual spendings. Budgeting has also proven to significantly reduce stress and boost mental health in an individual. This is due to the freedom it allows an individual to have, since they know how to spend and earn money. Accurate budgeting allows for good financial planning, which can lead to passive income business ideas. Now, there are different types of saving plans. One of them is money-saving plans. Money-saving plans are strategies designed to help individuals or entities set aside funds for future use or unpredicted expenses. This could involve setting specific savings goals, creating an emergency fund, or implementing strategies to reduce discretionary spending. These plans begin with the establishment of specific savings goals, ranging from short-term objectives to significant long-term aspirations such as home ownership or retirement. An essential component of money-saving plans involves creating an emergency fund, serving as a financial safety net to cover unexpected expenses like medical emergencies or job loss. Additionally, these plans often include a critical assessment of discretionary spending, encouraging individuals to prioritize needs over wants and implement strategies to reduce non-essential expenses. Automation plays a key role, with individuals setting up regular transfers to designated savings accounts, ensuring consistent contributions. Beyond immediate needs, strategic investments may be part of money-saving plans, aiming for long-term wealth growth. Regular reviews and adjustments are recommended to align the plan with evolving goals and circumstances, fostering financial resilience and progress over time. Next, we are going to talk about credit and debit cards, which the majority of people use worldwide for many reasons. Credit and debit cards are financial instruments that smooths electronic transactions. Debit cards are linked to a bank account, allowing immediate withdrawal of funds, while credit cards provide a line of credit with the option to pay back the borrowed amount later. Understanding the differences, managing credit responsibly, and being aware of associated fees are crucial aspects of financial literacy. Managing credit responsibly involves timely payments, staying within credit limits, and building a positive credit history for future financial opportunities. Financial literacy also entails awareness of associated fees, such as overdraft fees with debit cards and interest charges or transaction fees with credit cards. Emphasizing the importance of informed decision-making and utilizing these financial tools effectively. Budgeting plays a role as it makes it easier to track bills that can affect your credit score, as well as it shows individuals what they can cut or reduce to maximize their money-saving plan. Savings accounts is another branch of budgeting. A savings account is a secure deposit account offered by financial institutions that allows individuals to store and accumulate funds while earning interest. Savings accounts provide a safe place for money, easy access to funds, and a way to earn a modest return on the balance. Moreover, the interest earned on the deposited balance, although modest compared to other investments, provides individuals with a tangible return on their savings, contributing to the overall growth of their funds. Savings accounts, with their flexibility and interest-earning potential, play a pivotal role in financial planning, allowing individuals to set aside money intentionally for various purposes and fostering a disciplined approach to achieving both immediate and long-term financial objectives. Bank points are a resource that many people either don't know about or don't use. Bank points, often associated with rewards programs, are loyalty points earned by customers for various banking activities such as credit card spending, using certain services, or maintaining specific account balances. These points can often be redeemed for perks, discounts, or other benefits provided by the bank. Beyond credit card transactions, customers may also earn points by utilizing specific banking services or maintaining designated account balances. These rewards may include cashback, travel discounts, merchandise, gift cards, or even charitable donations. As part of a broader strategy, these reward programs not only attract and retain customers but also incentivize desired banking behaviors, creating a mutually beneficial relationship between the financial institution and its clients. Understanding the earning and redemption mechanisms of bank points becomes crucial for individuals seeking to maximize the benefits associated with their banking activities.